you want, boy?
Bull sent me down here to work.
Can you read, boy?
As long as it's in the English language, boy.
You treat them all like Wolf?
Wolf wanted to get friendly. I didn't.
You'll take that cart to the cells.
Don't they let cons down here?
You see any chairs?
How come?
Because this is the Rock, man. They don't want you doing anything here. But time. Boy, freaking time. Rock affects dudes differently. It either brings out your strength or it breaks you.
What'd it do for you? What happens when you get out?
I won't. 10 years ago, I was in this bar in Alabama when two dudes started hassling me. That was their first mistake. They pulled knives. That was their second mistake. They didn't know how to use them. That was the last mistake they ever made. I got 2 99-year sentences, back to back.
Seems like you could have pleaded self-defense.
The dudes were white, man. Just like you. When I arrived here, they put me in one of those dark cells in D block. After a while, I went stare crazy. Sliced my Achilles tendon to get out. You'll see why when you see D block.
Tell me something. You through killing white guys?
Why?
Oh, I don't know. I just figured maybe next time I wouldn't turn my back on you.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Frank, what's yours?
English.
See you later.
Her name?
Morris?
Okay.
Magazine or a book?
Where's English? What'd they do? Give a nigger of his own?
Magazine?
Hi, I'm Bugsy.
Magazine or a book?
Thanks. Hey, you're new.
Yeah.
Hey, well, wait a minute. I haven't seen a new guy in 6 months. You know, it's nice to talk to people. How the Brooklyn Dodgers doing?
Moved to L.A. 2 years ago.
Oh? Kidding?
Warden don't allow no books in these cells.
How come?
'Cause there's no light in them. Better deliver them books, Morris, where they can be read.